Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome guys. We are going to study the list in Python programming. List is the most versatile type available in Python, which can be written as lists of comma sequence values item between square brackets. Important thing about list is that items in a list need not be of the same type. Creating a list is as simple as putting different comma separated values between square brackets. For example, list number 1 equal two string physics and chemistry and two numbers. The list number 2 is a list of numbers. The list number 3 is the list of alphabetics. Accessing values in list. To access values in list, we use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain value available at the index. For example, list 1 physics, chemistry, two numbers. To access of the elements of the index 0, we obtain physics. To access the list or the subtracting value of the list number 2, 1, 2, 5, we obtain 2, 3, 4, 5. List method in Python. Python list method has multiple methods to work with Python list. Below we've explained all methods you can use with Python list. For example, append, copy, insert, and more. For example, append is used for appending and adding element to the end of the list. Copy, it returns a shallow copy of the list. Clear, this method is used for moving all items from the list. Count, this method count the elements. Extend, add each element of iteratable to the end of the list. Index, return the lowest index where the elements appears. Insert a given element at a given index in a list. Pop, removes and returns the last value from the list or the given index value. Removes a given object from the list. Reverse the object of the list in place. Sort a list in ascending or descending or user-defined order. Mean, calculate the minimum of elements of the list. Max, calculate the maximum of all elements of the list. Practice. Let's have some practice in Visual Studio Code. It sounds good. We are going to print the list up. We have obtained this list. Print list up of the index 5. It gives us this entire list. 1, 2, 3. This entire list. Print the list of index 5. Index 5, it means this list. This of the index 3, it means this list of the index 2, it means the number 3. We can change a value in a list. For example, list of 2 equal Abdurrahman. This can change the value to Abdurrahman after printing the list up. we have a result. Abdurrahman is the value that is changed. Thank you for watching. To the next video.